Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Battery. This gets you to the controls that actually change the display. Once there, tap the Battery or Battery and Performance entry so you see related toggles. Make sure you're looking for a label like Battery Percentage, Show Percentage, or Battery Icon Style because different makers group this differently. If you have a search bar in Settings, type Battery to jump directly. Doing this avoids digging through unrelated menus and saves time. Now choose the exact display change you want. Flip the Show Percentage toggle to add numbers next to the icon, or pick an icon style if your device offers choices. You do this because numeric readouts give precise info while icons give a cleaner look. Pick what helps you. Once you toggle or select a style, watch the status bar to confirm it updates immediately. If the change doesn't appear, back out and re-enter to force the interface to refresh. Then double-check any system-wide themes. Finish by verifying the indicator across your lock screen and home screen so the change is consistent. If the new display doesn't show, restart the device because a reboot clears minor UI glitches. Once done, make sure Battery Saver, a third-party theme, or a launcher isn't overriding the status bar. If problems persist, check for a system update or consult the maker's support since some skins lock the option. Keep one key tip in mind. Restart first, then troubleshoot deeper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.